Hey friends, before we start, I want to let you know that every tip you'll hear here comes from technicians with years of experience at this highly respected appliance repair shop, so let's fix that error. A few days ago, an Electrolux dishwasher came into the shop with the I10 error flashing on the display. One of the technicians checked the water inlet hose and noticed it was slightly bent, which was preventing water from flowing properly. As the technician explained, the dishwasher wasn't getting enough water to start the cycle. By adjusting the hose and securing the connections, the error disappeared instantly. On another occasion, a dishwasher showed the same code intermittently. The shop technician found that the inlet valve had some dirt buildup. He said, "Sometimes just a careful cleaning of the valve is enough to get the machine working normally again. You don't always need to replace parts." This is a perfect example of how simple maintenance can prevent bigger problems. In a different case, a dishwasher came in where the I10 wouldn't go away even after cleaning the valve and checking the hose. The technician then inspected the water pressure and the control board. As he explained, if the valve and pressure are fine, the main board could be sending incorrect signals. Replacing it usually fixes the error. This shows that, although it's not common, the board can be the culprit when everything else checks out. Later, another dishwasher displayed the I10 right at the start of the cycle, then it disappeared, only to come back on the next use. The shop technicians explained that usually indicates a loose contact or weak signal. Checking all connections and securing them properly generally fixes it. The key is to follow the path of the water and control signals until you find where the interruption occurs.